Well, it really could be any one of a number of things. Vibration, floor vibration, magnetic fields, and acoustics are certainly, three of the most common sources of that problem. Well, really, the best way is to have a field survey done. Someone who has experience measuring the environment would come in with the right equipment, like a spectrum analyzer and sensors, to measure the environment. They can measure the floor vibration, they can measure the acoustics, and they can measure the magnetic fields. You'd have the data, and the microscope typically would have a specification along with it, a published specification. So almost all commercial microscopes, in particular electron microscopes like scanning electron and transmission electron microscopes, have a published specification from the manufacturer that says, here's the threshold that you need to be under for floor vibration or magnetic fields or acoustics. So you can take that data that was done during the field survey and just compare it to the specification. When the data is plotted properly, in the same units and same scale and things like that, you can pretty quickly see the data compared to a spec line. So if it's over that spec line in floor vibration, you have a problem that's related to floor vibration. And any one of us can help look at that data, analyze it, figure out what the right solution is. And oftentimes you'll see that it's more than just one. It's a combination of things like floor vibration and magnetic fields. That's very common. So really that report's the best way to figure out what the real problem is. I will say that sometimes you can see it in the image. Somebody who's got really good experience of looking at an image and seeing a type of deformation in the image or jitter in the image might be able to tell that it's a low frequency compared to a high frequency, but that can be pretty challenging to do consistently and really, nail it down. So I would say that the field survey is the best way to go about that.